Hello everyone, welcome to AFLOP's online video lessons. This is Samuel J. Naligala teaching IGCSE Mathematics with code number 0580, and today's topic is from the trigonometry, and our lesson objectives are: find the area of any triangle using half AB sine C, and number 2, solve simple trigonometric problems in 3 dimensions including angle between line and plane. Dear students, if we have any triangle, if you know the height, for example, you take a right angle triangle, you know the height and the base, and the area is half base into height. And you know any other triangle, non-right angle triangle, but you know the height and you know the base, and you will use the same formula. But if you don't know the height of any triangle and you have two sides and an angle between, so you remember this is the way, you remember this V, the two sides and an angle between, so half AB sine C. So let us solve some problems related to this. Look at this question 1. The diagram shows the plane of a playground with dimensions as shown. Triangle ABC here is a playground, and length AC is 48 meters and length AB is 57 meters, and angle A is 117 degrees. You remember this? You remember this V? You got a V here. Okay, this is, it goes like this: 1 by 2 AB sine C is the formula. 1 by 2 48 times 48 times 57 times sine 117 degrees. So that's it. So you have to calculate it. So the area equal to, okay, you simplify it, 24 times 57 times sine 117 degrees. Use the calculator and get the value. Your answer is 1220 meter square to 3 significant figures. And this question carries 2 marks, and look at the marking scheme here. If you write this half ABC, you write this one, formula, identify the formula, what kind of formula you're going to use, and you substitute the values here. 1 by 2, 48 times 57 times sine 117, you got the method mark 1 here, and then you simplify it using the calculator, you will get the accuracy mark 1 here. I hope you understand this. Let's move ahead. Let's see this example here. Question number 2. The following diagram shows a triangle ABC. AB equal to 8 meter, AC equal to 14 meter, BC equal to 18 meter, and BAC is 110 degrees. Calculate the area of the triangle. Remember this again. You remember this V here. So 14, and this is the angle in between, and this is 8, 1, 1, 0. And this one is a trap. You don't need this, but you don't get confused with that one, I hope. So take care. So now what's the formula here? Half AB sine C. That is the area. Area equal to half AB sine C. That's equal to 1 by 2 times, what is the length? 14 and 8. 14 times 8 times sine 110 degrees. You press the calculator buttons, and here is your answer. 52.6 meters square. Your 3 significant figure answer. And look at this. If you substitute these values here, 1 by 2, 14 times 8 times sine 110, you got a method mark 1 for this, and you write it 52.6227867 meters square, the calculator value, or you write 52.6 meters square, the 3 significant figure value. You got an accuracy mark 1, total 2 marks. Okay, let's move on to another, our second lesson objective. What was that? Solve simple trigonometric problems in 3 dimensions, including angle between line and plane. You know what is the difference between line and plane? Let me show it to you. See, this is a plane. This is the plane. E, F, G, H is a plane. It's made of 4 lines here. So you should know the difference between line and plane. Okay, I got it. So now what is that? What is the question they are asking for? The longest rod that will fit on the bottom of the carton would go from E to G. E to G. Oh, yeah. I beg your pardon for this. It's not a straight line, but imagine it's a straight line. Find the length L of this rod. So this L, length L, we need to find it. Okay, so for this we need to draw the right angle triangle. E, H, G, and this is L, length. Forgive me for this, not a straight line drawing, but it's a sketch. So it's 90 degrees. This is the hypotenuse. But what was the information given about this figure? The cube is 8 centimeters long each side. This is 8. This is 8. So you know the base and perpendicular, right? You're going to find the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse L equal to square root of 8 squared plus 8 squared 64 plus 64, how much is that? Square root of 128. Okay. B. Find the length L of the longest rod that would fit inside the card. Inside the card. Look at this. They are asking from here to the longest rod. So for this, we need to take the triangle ECG. ECG. A right angle triangle here. ECG. ECG. And here is a right angle. And you know this is you're going to find this one length EC capital L, and you know that EG is square root of 128 and this is 8. So you're going to find this capital L equal to square root of 128 plus 8. So the first one answer for this 11.3, 3 significant figures, and then what are the units here? Centimeters. Don't forget to write down the units. There will be unit penalty. And the answer to part B, I beg your pardon, I missed this part here to mention the square. Square root of 128 square plus 8 square is equal to 128 plus 64. Then the final answer is 13.8 or 13.9 is the 13.9 centimeters. That is the longest rod that can fit into this three-dimensional carton. Okay, hope you understand our lesson objectives. Find the area of the triangle using half AB sine C. Check. Solve simple trigonometric problems in 3 dimensions including angle between line and plane. Check. Hope you understand this. 2 lesson objectives and the given examples. We'll meet you in the next lesson. Till then, goodbye, take care, keep watching AFLOP's online videos. Signing off, your Samuel J. Naligala.